Hi everyone. Let us solve one more problem on the replacement of items that deteriorate with the time when money value is not considered. So this is the problem. So here in the problem the cost of the equipment was given, so that is 30,000 rupees, and now in the tabular column it was given the resale value. Resale value means scrap value. Whenever you resell that equipment you will get this much amount back. So resale value or scrap value. So in previous class of problem the scrap value is constant at any year, but now the scrap value is changing in each and every year. And next, the cost of spares and the cost of labor were given. So this is the cost we are going to expenditure on the machine in each and every year. So that means we can take it as operating cost or maintenance cost. Okay, so that means while taking the maintenance cost value we should consider the sum of these two, that is cost of spares and the cost of labor. So now let us solve the problem. Okay, so what is the cost of the equipment? So cost of equipment or mission, here it is mentioned as mission, so I am writing that as mission. So cost of mission C is equals to 30,000 rupees. And next, the resale value, now it is continuously changing, so no need to write here. So now let us find the average cost in this case, and we have to determine the optimum period for the replacement of mission. Okay, now for the first year let us calculate. So here the cumulative maintenance cost is sigma Rn I am taking. Okay, Rn, sigma Rn. So now let us calculate the values. So what is the maintenance cost in first year? So maintenance cost is the sum of cost of spares plus cost of labor. So 2000 plus 7000. So totally how much we will get? 9,000 rupees. Cumulative maintenance cost, previous cost is 0. So cumulative is 9,000 rupees. Next, C minus S value. C minus S value is, so C is 30,000 rupees and resale value or scrap value. So this one is S now, right? So 30,000 minus 21,000, we will get 9,000. So total cost 9,000 plus 9,000, 18,000. Average cost, total cost by n is 1, so 18,000 by 1 we will get 18,000. Next, second year we need to find. So what is the second year maintenance cost? 2135 plus 8,000, then we will get 10,135. Then cumulative maintenance cost 10,135 plus 9,000, 19,135. Next, C minus S value. So C value is 30,000. Now S value is in second year 15,000. 30,000 minus 15,000. So we will get 15,000. And next, total cost 15,000 plus 19,135. We will get 34,135. Next, find the average cost, 34,135 by 2. 17,067.5. Right, second year is over. Next, let us find it for third year. So in third year, what is the maintenance cost? 2,400 plus 9,000. So that is 11,440. Next, what is cumulative maintenance cost? 11,440 plus 19,135. then it is equals to 30,575. Next, calculate C minus S. So C value 30,000, S value is in third year 10,200. 30,000 minus 10,200, we will get 19,800. So calculate the total cost. It is equals to 50,375. So calculate the average cost 50,375 by 3. Then you will get 16,791.67. Right? Next, let us calculate for fourth year. So in fourth year, what is maintenance cost? 2,850 plus 10,500. Then you will get 13,350. So cumulative maintenance cost 13,350 plus 30,575. You will get 43,925. Then C minus S is 30,000 minus 7,200. Then you will get 22,800. Then calculate the total cost. We will get 66,725 rupees. Calculate the average cost divided by n. N value is 4. So we will get 16,681.25. Next, let us find the average cost for fifth year also. So now what is maintenance cost in fifth year? 3,400 plus 12,500. You will get 15,900. So what is cumulative maintenance cost? 15,900 plus 43,925. 59,825. Then calculate C minus S value. C is 30,000, S value is 4,825. So if you do that, we will get the C minus S value as 25,175. Then calculate the total cost. Add these two values. Then we will get 85,000. So 85,000 by n, that is 5. Then we will get the average cost. So that is 17,000 rupees. So now here also if you observe the average cost value goes on decreasing, but in fifth year it was increased. So what is the minimum cost value? 16,681. So when the mission should be replaced? So the mission should be replaced at the end of fourth year. So now write the same statement. The average cost is minimum, that is 16,681.25 rupees in fourth year. Hence the mission should be replaced at the end of fourth year, right? So like this we are going to solve the problems when the resale value is changing year by year and different maintenance costs were given, right? So thank you everyone.